This recording is of hypnotic nature and should not be used while driving or operating any heavy machinery. As we begin, just allow your eyes to close and allow your eyes to stay closed throughout the session. Take a deep breath to relax and quiet the mind and block outside distractions. And as we begin, just start to take a slow, deep breath, breathing in slowly and deeply and exhaling slowly. And just continue to breathe very slow and deeply in whatever way it is comfortable for you for the next few minutes until I ask you to stop. Just concentrate on your breathing without thinking about anything but your breathing. Breathing slowly and deeply because deep breathing is very, very relaxing in itself. So for the next few minutes, just breathe slowly and deeply, feeling your lungs expand and let go. And can you imagine, if you like, that with each breath you breathe in, you're filling your body and your mind with peace and serenity. And with each breath you exhale, you're just letting go of all the tightness and tension and negativity, filling your mind and body with peace and serenity, letting go of all tension, tightness, and negativity. Just relaxing more and more with each breath you take, feeling your body relaxing more and more with every breath. Feel the muscles in your body become loose and so very relaxed as you begin to unwind and let go. Just letting go. Letting go of everything that's been going on in your life, any worries or concerns, any tensions that you may have been retaining in your body. Just let it go for now, allowing your body to relax, letting go and unwinding. And completely relax now as you take the time for yourself, this special time, just for you, a quiet time, a time to let go of all the worry in your life and enjoy a little relaxation. Just spending a few minutes to relax and unwind and let go of everything. It feels good to just relax, let go of everything except the relaxation, unwinding, letting go, allowing peace and harmony to surround your body and mind. That wonderful, beautiful feeling of tranquility. Just relaxing, relaxing. Feels so good to relax and unwind and just let go of everything. Whatever you like, all you have to do is just breathe and relax and let your breathing return back to normal as we continue this journey. As you go deeper now, you can be aware that negative emotions never change anything. They are simply a waste of energy and a lost opportunity to generate beneficial emotions, positive thoughts, and feelings that will help you. Negative emotions are hurtful. They hurt you. They actually damage and injure you. When you experience anger, frustration, guilt, or jealousy, this is because you're not getting something you desire.
Agree with yourself right now to stop wasting things that you know you can't have. As you do this for yourself, immediately you will become happier and more content with what you do have. If you are harboring any negative emotions, anger, frustration, or jealousy, release these feelings, these negative emotions now. Let them go and forever free yourself from what was and now is no more. If you have sadness, perhaps something or someone that you have lost, grieve now for what you have lost or for what you never had, and release that longing, that craving. Just let it go. If you have any guilt for something you did or omitted to do, forgive yourself. Do it now. Just let it go. You have always done your best in any situation. You did what was right for you at the time, or you did what you did because it was all you could do. Just release all guilt right now. Releasing it wholeheartedly. Just let it go. You have always done your best, and no one can take that away from you. So accept that you are the best that you can be, and let those negative feelings of inadequacy, failure, and guilt go. Just let them go now. If you have bad feelings, feelings of betrayal, of jealousy, revenge, you recognize now with clarity and understanding that those feelings do not benefit you in any way. They harm you. They hurt you and prevent you concentrating your best efforts on enjoying what you have. Love and warmth, friendship, and so much more. And you release those feelings, those negative, hurtful emotions. Just let them go. They have no place in your life. When you leave here today, your subconscious will help you with new learnings and positive thoughts and emotions. It will remind you in a very powerful manner whatever you experience a negative thought, such as fear, disgust, anger, guilt, hatred, jealousy, that you do have a choice. You can control your thoughts, control your feelings, and decide to have all good thoughts and positive emotions. You can now have only good and positive thoughts and feelings. In future, you will be aware when you're experiencing a negative thought or emotion, and you will immediately turn it into a positive thought or emotion that helps you to move forward, enjoy your life and what you have. Love, compassion, and understanding, forgiveness, and acceptance of what is to be. Now you can choose to release all of those negative thoughts, the negative feelings, right now, immediately. Or you can choose to do this for yourself in 1 hour from now, or just before you go to bed. Now, I would prefer that you release each and every negative thought and feeling right now. But it's up to you to choose a time, today, which is the right time for you. Accepting that your subconscious knows what to do for you. Thinking without awareness. Thoughts that are beneficial and appropriate, and not needing to know how it will do that for you. Now, as you go deeper, turning inwards, becoming one with your own inner mind, the part of you that has perfect knowledge and understanding. I would like you to allow that part of you to do its best work for you as you present to your inner self all of those negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions that you have in the past, the ones that hurt you, and enjoy the warmth, comfortable, positive feeling that embraces you now as those negative feelings are dealt with in a most appropriate manner, released. Dispose of them to be replaced with positive, beneficial thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Present to the subconscious mind now. Each of those negative emotions that you have experienced, present each 7 times and experience now the strength and the comfort as each negative emotion is transformed. Easily, quickly, and without effort. When you finish this task, you are completely satisfied that all the work that needs to be done for your benefit has been completed. Then you can allow yourself to drift upwards towards the surface of awareness, bringing with you feelings of balance, positivity, confidence, and good feelings about your own self-worth as a special and as a unique person, allowing your eyes to open, feeling refreshed, feeling wonderful.